if your SaaS is getting a steady flow of trial users, there might be a chance that you're losing a few of them due to the mistakes I'm going to go through today. And so today I'm going to be looking at Lead Guerilla, which is basically a platform that allows businesses to do marketing automation. Okay. And so let's start. First of all, we can see that the headline is quite clear, and the superheadline clearly is very transparent about what they do. They cover your leads and allows you to do basically marketing automation. Okay. Here they go more in depth about all the things that they offer. Okay, they offer some social media marketing, some elements of being a CRM and analytic elements, and also obviously marketing. All right, so here they can explain a little bit more about how you're able to also create some landing pages and some forms, tracking, and also be able to score your leads, which is good for being more specific about the avatar that you serve, basically. Here they've got some articles. I would suggest that they actually update the actual time because obviously this is nearly 10 years old. Okay. Obviously we are in 2026 now. And so it's quite, they should potentially increase renew the actual date of these articles. And then it ends like this. It's a very short website. Potentially they could, I can see an FAQ section here, but they could have actually taken the questions from that section and just added them at the top of the bottom of the homepage, which would make the homepage a little bit longer, and also you would be able to um you know handle any objections that prospect might have immediately on the homepage. Okay. Also, they could have potentially had a contact form at the top of the homepage in order to increase the number of opt-ins by having something that would incentivize prospects to provide their contact details like a lead magnet, a freebie, or a discount, basically anything that would encourage them to provide their contact details, right? Also, if we go to the pricing page, we can go and check. Uh, Pricing page is quite it's quite clear. Clearly states how you get to pay $99 a month and you get 2,500 contacts. Okay, and based on the amount that you need, it clearly explains what you get. I guess there's a little bit of a repetition, so potentially they could have done it a bad way, but it is quite clear. So that this is a plus, and I believe this is everything. Well, let's go and check the request to demo page to see how it works. At least this is a good. It's not too long, which is great, but I cannot see which fields are required and which are not. So I would suggest they get rid of any fields that they don't necessarily need, to increase the number of conversions and um, potentially add some social proof because I haven't seen any kind of credibility, you know, around the homepage either. Some testimonials or reviews that would have been very effective. And so, if you happen to be a SaaS and you find that you don't, you would like to increase your conversion, then definitely click on the link down below in the description.